Hey everybody, it's JJ Conway. I'm going to do an unboxing of my new jewelry from Delena Ciastko Designs. I'm super excited about it. She does custom jewelry. And so one of the things that I noticed with this package is just how pretty it is. Look at how pretty that is. Now, this was the label from the UPS store I already took off, but I really loved going to her website. And clearly I can't do this with one hand. Hold on. Okay, that's a pretty good packaging there. You know, as I was going to say, is as an entrepreneur, I love things that are beautiful in design, and they just make you feel so luxurious. I mean, look at that beautiful packaging. Let's see what we have in here. All right. Okay, clearly I need to get a cell phone holder for this because I am not doing a good job. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's even better in person. Hold on. Oh, look at that, you guys. One for each of my boys with a little gemstone representative of their birthday, which November is topaz. And y'all know I wear opal for my older son, but October is also that pinkish stone. I forget if that's called a citrine or something like that. Okay, now I'm all embarrassed for picking a linty shirt to do an unboxing video, but you can see how nice that is, how dainty the chain is. Definitely a conversation piece. I love it. Yay! I also got this in memory of my dad. You can customize this, but I elected to leave it the way she had it on the website. One thing that I love about this brand, I love how she uses the luxurious touches. I love how she customizes everything if you want it customized. You know, this is how you distinguish yourself as a crafter, because if you make things that people can just buy in a local store, they're not going to pay you what your time is worth. But by offering the customization and the little touches that make you feel special when you open it up, that's how you distinguish yourself in the marketplace as a crafter. All right, I'm JJ Conway. Thank you guys for being with me. Catch me on the web at jjconway.org, and you can catch me wearing these fantastic pieces at our upcoming Christmas cruise, as well as our Reconnect retreat. Y'all take care and be blessed.